What's up, guys? It is part 4 of the Lexus Stance Build. So far I just welded a V-band for my buddy's intercooler, so that is cooling down. But now that that's done, I can actually get started on the car. So today we are going to be, or I'm by myself, I'm going to be cutting the front wheel wells to tuck the harness in, and then I'm hopefully going to be welding on the rear flares. I know it's not a whole lot, but it's a lot of work that has to be done to do that. So that's what I'm going to do for part 4 of the Stance Lexus build. I will see you guys in a second. I got one solid cut all the way through, and now I'm going to make a second cut so I can tuck them in. It shouldn't be too hard. It's actually going a lot easier than I thought. And just like that, should be able to tuck it in. I'm not quite done, but I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright, I got it tucked in there, so now I just gotta make a little bit extra room. And I will show you guys what I got done. Alright, so I cut this and shoved this up in that slot. And then I'm gonna be welding a metal tab just like right here to there, just for a little bit more stability and to keep that from falling down. That turned out really well. I'm gonna move on to the other side and hopefully it goes just as well as the side. Then I will be welding the flares on. So it's going a lot better than I thought, so that's awesome. So right in there, the wire, and it was originally hanging about right here. So that bought me about 1.5 inches or more worth of space. But other than that, the front's done. Just waiting for the suspension to come in so I can put it back in and get that all done. And next on is the rear. I'm gonna get the welder set up and start welding. Here we go. Alrighty, I got this flare tacked on. I got a little bead there, a little bead there, a little bead there, and then a little bead there, and then a couple small tacks. And then actually these little ones, so these dots are actually tacked on the inside of the flare. I did carve out for the door. Not very good, but I'm just going to use some filler to get that so that the door opens and closes. And I wasn't originally going to do that, but I accidentally closed the door. And then I couldn't open the door because the flare was there, so I had to Dremel it to get it open. So I guess that I will do the same thing for the other side too. Alright guys, I got this piece welded in up there. I just did 2 tacks because it was a pain in the butt. It kept burning away. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and I'm thinking just a couple tacks on each side, and then that is just what it's gonna be. I'm gonna try this I'll show you guys what I'm dealing with. This pedal, my foot pedal, I'm using the calf of my leg right here and just pressing it down. So. Alright, we got the tack. I'm going to try to lay a little bit of a bead. Alrighty. I think we're good. I got the flares on, cut out for the door, along with the wires tucked. So now that I finally got everything done that I said I would, my battery's about to die, so I'm trying to hurry this one up. But now that I got everything done, I am going to head home. So I think it's a successful part 4 of this build. I got everything that I wanted to get done. So I guess part 5 will be up next, and I'm gonna go home and edit the last 3 videos because I am super behind on that. So then you guys can watch my content. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Feel free to post, comment, let me know what I need to do better on, what I maybe need to not do as much of, and maybe that's talking. I think I talk a little too much, but just let me know, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in part 5. Peace out.